Okay, welcome. I'm Marek Mularczyk from saitraining.co.uk and from Photoshop Lightroom Bridges.co.uk, and in this tutorial in Photoshop I'm going to show you how to add a tattoo on a skin. And I'm using this image as an example, and this image can be downloaded from Stock Exchange, a fantastic website, community-based website with free images and an online library with free images. I'll show you the web address, sxc.hu, great website with loads of images, and they're all free. That's where you can get the image from. They have almost 500,000 of images. Okay, so I've got this image here from Stock Exchange. First step will be to select it. So I'm going to use the magic wand tool. Okay. Create a new selection, sample size, font size, that's fine, tolerance quite low, that's okay, and contiguous unchecked. I'm going to click on the background, so everything that's white will be highlighted. There's just a couple of bits, I want this, or maybe not, I'll just leave it as an example. I'm going to inverse the selection, so select inverse, and using move tool, I'm just going to drag and drop it into the other image. So I'll just drag that to here, to the backdrop image. I'm going to drop it here. I'm just going to rename this layer to tattoo. Whoops, tattoo. And I'm going to convert it to a smart object. So I'll right click on it and convert to smart object. Now I'm going to resize it. So Control T or Command T. Oh, the image is really big. So I'll go here. I could just zoom out. I'm just going to resize it like that. Here we go. Remember about the shift key if you don't want to distort the image. Okay, I'm just going to make it much smaller. Now the image I'm using is a low resolution image, so it will look pixelated because I'm zoomed into 100% view. That's okay. I'm just going to place the tattoo on her arm here. So I'm going to position it here. Slightly rotate it. Here we go. And I'll accept it. Now I don't want these parts, so I'm going to add a layer mask to this layer. And on the layer mask, I'm going to zoom in even more. And I'm going to use the brush tool with the foreground color set to black. I'll make the brush a bit bigger. And I'll paint that in. So it disappears. We don't want that here. Here we go. Now the tattoo should probably be black and white, so what you could do is, if you click on the layer, go to adjustments panel, and then the black and white adjustment, clip the adjustment layer, so it only changes the tattoo, okay, and make it black and white, and you can look at different presets here. This one looks good, blue filter. Actually like this one here. Okay, so it's black and white, the adjustment layer clipped. We'll warp this layer just a bit, so I'm back to the tattoo layer and I'm going to warp it. Edit, transform, warp. It's fine. Okay, please unlink down. Oh, layer mask. Okay, so I'm just going to unlink the layer mask and I'll warp it again. Edit, transform, warp. Okay, I'll warp it just a bit. Here we go. So it looks more like the actual tattoo. Just a bit. Here. Here we go. You get the idea. We'll accept it. Link the layer mask again. Okay. I'll zoom out a bit. Here we go. And one more step. Changing the blend mode, so the tattoo will blend into the skin. So in here, probably multiply, interesting, or maybe darken. I'm going to use multiply in this case, and I will lower the opacity of the layer to make it blend into the skin. Here we go. Just an interesting technique that can be used for creating tattoos on skin, as an example. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. I'm Marek Mularczyk from saitraining.co.uk.